Hey class, hello everyone, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum and vanakkam to all of you. And I am here today because CBSE ने एक बहुत बड़ा बॉम्ब गिरा दिया बच्चों के ऊपर, right? And the bomb is that the syllabus has been reduced. Okay, so some of you are very happy कि अरे sir कम पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Some of you are like कि sir I wanted to study everything. Now what to do? So first let's discuss that what has been reduced, what has not been reduced, and what you can do. Okay. एंड हाउ यू कैन गो फॉर दैट पार्ट. ठीक है, तो बेटा लेट्स गो थ्रू इट वेरी क्विकली. बहुत इजी सा पार्ट है. ठीक है, जल्दी से एक बार देख लेते हैं कि व्हाट पार्ट हैज बीन रिड्यूस्ड. देन विल डिस्कस दैट व्हाट बोथ द टाइप ऑफ स्टूडेंट शुड डू. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस पार्ट. तो यार देखो भाई, फर्स्ट थिंग what is really important that the syllabus has been reduced, right? So देखो भाई, CBSE or Central Board of Secondary Examination has removed some topics from your grade ninth. Okay, because of the pandemic, right? So time is less. So what are those? So भाई, let's start with the first chapter. So in chapter 1, the chapter real numbers, the part which has been removed, that is your representation of terminating and non-terminating decimals on the number line by successive magnification method. What was that method? Do you know? वो जो नहीं था वो, that one with the lens one. Suppose if I have to represent 3.14, so first I will say it is between 3 and 4. Then I will magnify it. So I will say here it is 3 and 4 I will magnify. So suppose 3 is here, 4 is here. Okay, so between that I will say so 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Then I will say it is between 3.1, 3.12. So that again I will make it zoom out. So वो zooming in वाला जो method था ना, that has been removed. Only that. Second thing, meaning of nth root of a real number. That means कि suppose if I say that what is the third root of 8 or fourth root of 16, so what is the meaning of the nth root? That part had been removed, but not, it does not mean that all the properties of the exponents are removed. No, only the nth root part has been removed. Okay, so these are the two small topics, very small topics. So there is hardly any change made to the topic real numbers, hardly any change. Second topic, from polynomials, so they have done half of the chapter is gayab. Okay, they have removed remainder theorem and factor theorem. तो वो तो बहुत important था. And then the most important identity, this is, which is this part. Okay, so these three topics has been removed. Now those who are really willing to take science and maths from your their grade 11th and 12th upcoming grades after grade 10th, you want to choose your science maths as your optional stream, I would say that I have already covered this topic on YouTube, so you can rely on those part. समझ रहे हो? So that will help you to cover it. So if you are just thinking कि after 10th you'll go for commerce or arts, so there is no need for you to do this. But if you really want to go for science maths part, तो ये कर लेना एक बार, that is going to be helpful for you. Okay, so remainder theorem, factor theorem, and this identity has been removed. After that, in linear equation into variable, they have removed the examples and problems on ratio and proportion. So that word problems part has been removed. खत्म. वो जो word problems वाला जो part है ना बेटा, that has been removed. Word problems part is not there, so only the equations, solving them. What do you mean by the solution of a linear equation into variable? They are plotting the graph. Only that part is there. No word problems. आफ्टर दैट इंट्रोडक्शन टू यूक्लिड्स ज्योमेट्री, तो भाई साहब पूरा का पूरा निकाल दिया है. ओके, अब maybe many of you are feeling really happy, but introduction to Euclids geometry was a very basic topic. तो उसमें कुछ था ही नहीं पढ़ाने लायक. मतलब axioms, postulate, they are the easiest one. So it has gone, it was already accepted. This, if even if you ask me, if you tell me that sir one chapter you can remove for your from your CBSE, which one you'll remove, I will say Euclids geometry, क्योंकि that is very common sense वाला topic. Okay, then from the chapter triangles, ASA congruence has been removed and inequalities of the triangles. Inequalities of the triangle was that sum of the two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side, and the order of the sides on basis of the angles. So that part has been removed, inequalities of the triangle and one ASA congruence. Okay, so these two parts has been removed from the topic triangles, but remember all the four congruents are there, which is SAS, SSS, AAS and RHS. Okay, these four congruency are there. Along with that, properties of isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle, those are also there. So don't forget to complete that part. Only these part has been removed. AS से तुम लोग कर सकते हो. because it is very easy. I have already done this part. Inequalities of triangle, if you want, you can leave it. If you want, you can leave it. Just go through the theorem. That is most important if you are planning to take science maths in your upcoming grades. Okay. Areas of parallelogram and triangle, तो ये तो पूरा ही निकाल दिया है. Okay, complete chapter has been removed. After that, circles. अब in circles chapter, two theorems has been removed. One is, and both the theorems are very basic. Okay, one theorem is that if there is only one and only one circle can pass through three given non-collinear points. So the proof was also very easy, and there was never a question asked from this, only true and false type of question. So this theorem has been removed. The other theorem which is removed, this theorem, so this is the converse of the theorem. You know, there is a theorem, if you don't know, there is a theorem that is angles in the same segment are equal. So this theorem is the converse of it. So this theorem, angles in the same segment, it is still there. If it is suppose 50-degree, this will also be 50-degree. This is still there. Only thing is that its converse has been removed. It is the converse part. So many people will think this theorem has been removed. No, angles in the same segment are equal. This theorem is still in your syllabus. The converse of this theorem has been removed. Okay, so this is the converse of that theorem. I think it is theorem number 10.10 something it is. Okay, I'm not sure. एक बार देख लेना 10.9 10.10 के आसपास. This second theorem is there. So this part has been removed. Both were very theoretical theorems. That is why they have removed. But the calculation wala and the questions part all are still there. So circle is as important as it was because circles properties are really helpful for your grade 10th, 11th, 12th and so on. So chapter circles, they have only cut the part which is theoretical, and that is the common sense part that has been removed. But the majority of the thing is still there, which is really good done. Very good step by CBSE. Well done, CBSE. 100 points for you for this topic circles. Okay. After that, constructions में construction of a triangle of given perimeter and base angle हटा दिया है तो ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. कंस्ट्रक्शन हटा दिया तो हटा दिया. Now there is more chance of you to score well, है ना. छोटा सा टॉपिक है. Heron's formula में finding the area of the quadrilaterals they have removed. Okay, so that questions were there, no? That they will give you all the four sides and the length of a diagonal. They will tell you find out the area of the quadrilateral or area of a trapezium. Questions are also there. So no, area of trapezium, sorry, has not been removed. Only finding out the area of quadrilateral from Heron's formula has been removed. Area of trapezium, whatever else is there, that part is still over there. Only finding out the area of a quadrilateral using Heron's formula has been removed. Nothing else. Okay, so remember this thing. Only the part which is given here, only that part has been removed. That means area of trapezium is still there in that part. Okay, चलो भाई next part में statistics में तो इन्होंने many things as they have removed. Histograms they have removed, frequency polygons they have removed, and mean, median and mode of ungrouped data. I think here in histograms they have removed only the histogram with the varied base length. Okay, histogram with the with varied base length. I think not the whole histogram has been removed, only the histogram with varied base length has been removed. ठीक है, histogram with varied base length has been removed. Frequency polygon has पूरा removed. Mean, median and mode of the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data वाला part बेटा it is removed because you have already learned it in your previous grade. ठीक है, तो the grouped data part is still there. Grouped data वाला is still there. I think तो आराम से कर लेना. Statistics now is very easy for you. Okay, bar graph is still there, double bar graph is still there. तो वो है. But now statistics is very easy. Now some of the chapters in which there is no reduction, coordinate geometry पूरा का पूरा रखा है because there is nothing in the chapter what they will remove. Lines and angles they have taken completely because each and every topic of line and angles is very important. It will be used in the upcoming syllabus. Quadrilaterals also has been kept as it is because the properties of all the quadrilateral is very important along with the midpoint theorem which will be used in the future. That is why quadrilateral has not been removed. Surface area and volume has also not been removed because this part I think it could have been deducted other than some other chapter. If I thought here surface area and volume, if they would have removed cube, cuboid and cylinder because you have already studied that part in the previous grade, at least cube, cuboid if could have been removed. Instead of that, polynomials में अगर remainder theorem and factor theorem रख देते तो that was a better part. But whatever CBSE has decided, we have to go with it. So surface area and volume is as it is, and probability also is as it is. Probability में तो कुछ है ही नहीं. So that is as it is. Okay. Now those students who are very happy कि सर अब तो मेरा मजा आ गया सर, सिलेबस कम हो गया है, तो बेटा देखो, if you are in one of those category, I don't care whether you are happy or not happy. I'm just telling you with a very practical purpose. If you are planning to go with your science stream in the upcoming grades, that is your 11th and 12th, make sure that whatever syllabus has been reduced, at least you do it on your own or wherever you find the videos. I have done in the previous year also, this year also I'm doing, so there also you can get the videos of those. Second thing, those will be taking the stream of arts or commerce. It's up to you. You want, you can do that. You don't want, don't do it. Okay, but अगर कर लोगे थोड़ा बहुत part तो 10th में it will help you. Okay, so that is what is my insight in today's part. Follow the new syllabus, मजे करो. I hope all of you are happy. Okay, so if you really like the information given in this video, please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. But like बहुत कम आते हैं, तो please like the videos. Okay, so this is all. Thank you so much. I hope all of you enjoyed. So now the syllabus is in front of you. लग जाओ काम पे. Okay, चलो. Bye bye बेटा. Bye bye to all of you. Bye bye. Sayonara. खुदा हाफिज.